Building Doctor Tile Fix Clip and Wedges is used for fixing tiles without any ridges. The special features of Building Doctor Tile Fix Clip and Wedges are: gives an even surface, easy to use, improves the quality of tile work. It can be used for laying all types of tiles and marbles. Before using Building Doctor Tile Fix Clip and Wedges, it is mandatory to wear appropriate protective gear. Now, let us see how to use this product. When laying new tiles, an even space should be left in between by using Building Doctor Spacer. After laying the first tile, the clip should be fixed before fixing the next tile. The wedges should be inserted into the clips using tile leveling tool on wedges. Building Doctor Tile Fix Clip and Wedges should be fixed evenly. After the tiles become completely dry, the tile fix wedges should be removed and the upper part of the tile fix clip should be removed by tapping it. Before using this product, carefully follow the instructions shown in the visual.